Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate live captions when speech detected in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you're going to open the accessibility setting. You can scroll down. Okay, and this is the accessibility setting, and we're gonna open the hearing enhancements right here. Okay, and here we can click on live captions. And once you activate the live caption, and make sure that you click on the circle button to activate it. Okay, and now the live caption has been activated, and I'm going to play a video in my gallery. I'm going to open my gallery, then I'm going to open a video. Okay, for example, I'm going to play this video and let's see how the live captions work. Import custom fonts in CapCut Mobile. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I have created a project. And first of all, we can tap on the text option right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the live caption in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.